Example number 7, prop beam using Titanic method. Okay, simulan na muna natin sa reaction. So, mag-assume tayo ng reactions. Say AY is upward, CY is upward, and moment at A is positive, so upward. So, lahat ng unknowns, in-assume natin na positive. Since ang prop beam ay indeterminate beam, then hindi natin masosolve ang reactions applying equilibrium. So, sa ngayon, unknown yung tatlong reactions. So, mag-drawing tayo ng elastic curve. So, ito na yung assumed elastic curve. So, point A, B, and C. Next, we cut at A and then we choose right. So, the direction is A to C. So, right. I-solve na muna natin yung parameter 6AB over L. So, ang loading from A to C ay dalawa, concentrated load and uniformly distributed load. So, para sa uniformly distributed load, formula WL cube over 4. Para sa concentrated load, PB over L, L square minus B square. So, direct substitute. The uniform load is 48. The length is the distance from A to C, 10. Then cube over 4, then plus the load P, the concentrated load is 60, and B is 3, then over L 10, then L square minus B square. So the parameter 6AB over L is 13,638. Then apply the formula for theta right. So ito na yung formula for theta right. Then theta is theta at A, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at A, which is unknown, MA. The length is the distance from A to C, 10 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at C, 0. The length is 10 over 6EI, plus 6AB over L, 13,638 over 6EI minus H over L. L is 10. Then for H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to C. So, tumama si horizontal line kay C. So, the vertical distance from the horizontal line at A towards C is 0. And since point A is fixed support, then theta A is 0. So, that moment at A is equal to negative 681.9. So, negative means mali ang assumption. So, inassume natin na pataas, pero dahil negative, so mali ang assumption. So, i-correct na natin. So, ang tama pala ay downward. Ngayon, mayroon na tayong moment at A. Magagamit na natin siya to solve for the other unknown reactions. At C, we take moment. Moment left equals moment right. Moment left of C is due to AY upward positive, lever arm 10. Due to this moment which is downward, MA, so negative 681.9. Due to the concentrated load downward, negative 60 times 3. And due to the distributed load downward, negative. So the load is 48 times 10 and the lever arm is 5. Then equal to the moment at right of C, which is 0. So that AY is equal to positive 326.19. Positive means tamang assumption upward. Next, we cut at A, then moment left equals moment right. So at point A, moment left is downward, so negative 681.9, then equal to moment right of A. Due to the reaction CY upward, the moment is positive, CY times 10. Due to the concentrated load downward, negative 60 times 7. Due to the distributed load downward, negative 48 times 10. And the lever arm is 5. So CY is equal to positive 213.81 kilonewtons. Positive means upward, tama ang assumption. Ngayong meron na tayong mga reactions, ang mga susunod na hahanapin naman natin ay rotations at B, at C, and deflection at B. Alamin na muna natin yung moment at B. So moment at B is equal to, so cut at B, so may options tayo, left or right. Say we choose right. So due to this reaction at C upward, positive 213.81 times lever arm 3. Then due to this uniform load, downward, negative 48 times 3, lever arm 1.5. So the moment at B is positive 425.43. Positive means moment at B is upward. Again, mag-assume tayo ng elastic curve. Ito na yung elastic curve. Ito yung point A, B, and C. Next, we cut at C, then we choose left. So the direction is C to A. Isolve na muna natin yung parameter 6AA over L. Ang loads from C to A, dalawa, uniform load and concentrated load. So for the uniform load, formula WL cube over 4, and for the concentrated load, PA over L, L square minus A square. W is 48. The length is the distance from C to A, 10 cube over 4, then plus the load peak, the concentrated load is 60. The distance A is 7 over L, 10, then L square minus A square. So 6AA over L is 14,142. Then we apply the formula for theta left. Ito na yung formula for theta left. And theta is theta at C equals, the moment near is the moment at C, 0. The length is the distance from C to A, 10, over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at A, downward, negative 681.9. The length is 10, over 6EI, plus the parameter 6A over L is 14,142 over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from C to A, and tumama siya sa point A, so therefore H is 0. So the theta C is equal to positive 1220.5 over EI. Positive means the rotation at C is counterclockwise. Next, we cut at C, then choose left. So the direction is C to B, left. So 6AA over L. So ang load from C to B is uniform load. So sa formula, WL cube over 4. So W is 48. The length is the distance from C to B, 3. Then cube over 4. So 6A over L is equal to 324. And then use the formula for theta left. Ito na yung formula for theta left. And theta is theta at C equals the moment near is the moment at C, 0. The length is the distance from C to B, 3, over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at B, 425.43. The length is 3 over 6EI, plus 6A over L, 324, over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from C to B and measure the vertical distance towards B. The direction of the vertical distance is downward, so negative, and the vertical distance at B is the deflection at B. And since na-compute na natin yung theta C kanina, 1220.5 over EI, then masosolve na natin si deflection at B. So the deflection at B is equal to positive 2,861.355. So positive means tama ang assumption natin that point B deflects downward. Para naman sa theta B, so tayo ay mag-cut sa B at meron tayong dalawang options, pwedeng piliin left or pwedeng right. So piliin na muna natin yung right. So the direction is B to C, so right. Applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right, and theta is theta B, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at B, 425.43. The length is the distance from B to C, 3 over 3 EI, plus moment far is the moment at C, 0. The length is 3 over 6 EI, plus the load from B to C is uniformly distributed load, and the formula for 6AB over L for uniformly distributed load is WL cube over 4. So direct substitute. W is 48, the length is 3, then cube over 4, then all over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from B to C and then measure the vertical distance towards C. So the direction is upward, so positive, and the vertical distance at C is equal to the deflection at B, 2,861.355 over EI. So the theta B is equal to positive 474.355 over EI. Positive means that the rotation at B is counterclockwise. To check, itry naman natin B to A. So the direction is left. So applicable is formula for theta left. So ito yung formula for theta left, and theta is theta B. The moment near is the moment at B, 425.43. The length is the distance from B to A, 7 over 3 EI, plus moment far is the moment at A, downward, negative 681.9. The length is 7 over 6 EI, plus the load from B to A is uniformly distributed load, and formula for 6A over L is WL cube over 4. So W is 48, L is 7, then cube over 4, then all over 6 EI minus H over L. So for H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to A and then measure the vertical distance towards A. The direction is upward, positive, and the vertical distance at A is equal to the deflection at B, 2,861.355 over EI. So the theta B is equal to positive 474.355 over EI, counterclockwise. Next, interpret natin yung results. So meron na tayong theta B, theta C, and deflection B. So ito na yung elastic curve. So at point C, gawa tayo ng tangent line, and yung theta C is counterclockwise. Then at point B, nag-deflect si point B pababa. Then gawa tayo ng tangent line at B. So ito yung tangent line at B. So obviously, theta B rotates, yung point B rotates counterclockwise. And based from the elastic curve, the lowest point is located somewhere in between point A and B.